Hi friends, how are you all of you? This is Srinivas Chemistry YouTube channel. So this is the fourth video about fundamentals of chemistry. Now discuss about subcells. Okay, friends, మన ఈ వీడియోలో మనం సబ్సెల్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాము. సబ్సెల్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాత్వే in which an electron moves within a shell around the nucleus. ఓకే, సో సబ్సెల్ అనేది ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేవి యాటంలో అరౌండ్ ది న్యూక్లియస్ మూవ్ అవడానికి తిరగడానికి ఉండే ఒక మార్గం లాంటివి అనమాట. ఓకే, సబ్సెల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గివెన్ బై యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం క్వాంటమ్ నెంబర్, ఇట్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఎల్. సో సబ్సెల్ యొక్క సమాచారం మనకు తెలియాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం గురించి కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలి. సో ద సబ్సెల్స్ ఆర్ సెట్ బై సోమర్ఫీల్డ్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ సబ్సెల్ అనేది సోమర్ఫీల్డ్ చెప్పారు. ఎందుకంటే సోమర్ఫీల్డ్ ఆయన యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం కొన్నప్పుడు కూడా చెప్పారు. ఆయన యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం కొన్నప్పుడు కూడా చెప్పారు. కాబట్టి మనకి ఎల్ వాల్యూ తెలియాలంటే యాంగులర్ మొమెంటం కొన్నప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం కొన్నప్పుడు యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం కొన్న నెంబరు సబ్సెల్ గురించి ఎవరు చెప్పారు? సోమర్ఫీల్డ్ చెప్పారు. ఓకే, సో యాంగులర్ మూమెంటం కొన్న నెంబర్ వాల్యూ L is equal to n-1. Angular momentum quantum number value L is equal to n-1. Now always so angular momentum quantum number or subcell value n is equal to L is equal to n-1. So L value always depend upon n value. L value n మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే L is equal to n-1. L is equal to n-1. Here n is there. Here n is there. That's why L value depends on n value. Now L values are L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, n-1 up to n-1. Okay, for example n is equal to 1. So substitute in this equation. N is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, L is equal to 0. N is equal to substitute in this n is equal to 2. So n 2 minus 1 like this. So the shapes of subcell depends on L values. The shapes of subcell depends on L values. ఓకే, సబ్సెల్ యొక్క ఆకారాలు ఎల్ వాల్యూ పైన డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. మనకి వీ హ్యావ్ 4 సబ్సెల్. మనం 4 సబ్సెల్ కలిగి ఉన్నాం. వీ హ్యావ్ 4 సబ్సెల్. నెక్స్ట్ n is equal to 1. This is a shell. In this cell subcell, the subcell is equal to L is equal to n-1. Now n is equal to 1 value substitute in L is equal to n-1. L is equal to 1 minus 1. Now L is equal to 1 minus 1 0. So L is equal to 0 means S subcell. L is equal to 0 means S subcell. The subcell S shape is spherical. The subcell S shape is spherical. L is equal to 0 అంటే S subcell. S subcell యొక్క ఆకారం spherical. So this is the shape of S orbital. This is the shape of S orbital. S orbital shape. ఇది S orbital యొక్క ఆకారం ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎస్ సబ్సెల్ ఈజ్ ఏ డైరెక్షన్లెస్. ఎస్ ఆర్బిటల్కి ఒక డైరెక్షన్ అంటూ ఏమీ లేదు. అది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్లో మూవ్ అవ్వగలదు, అది వై యాక్సిస్లో మూవ్ అవ్వగలదు, జెడ్ యాక్సిస్లో మూవ్ అవ్వగలదు. ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్, వై యాక్సిస్, జెడ్ యాక్సిస్, ఎనీ యాక్సిస్ ఇట్ మూవ్స్ without direction. Okay, without direction S orbital moves any direction. So that's why S orbital directionless. Now n is equal to 2 is substitute in n value. 2 n is equal to n value, 2 substitute in n value. Okay, now L is equal to n minus 2, 2 minus 1. Now L value 1. L value 1 means P subcell. L value 1 means P subcell. The P subcell shape is dumbbell. The P subcell shape is dumbbell. Okay, n is equal to అనే సెల్ సబ్సెల్ L is equal to n minus 1లో n value 2 substitute చేస్తే L is equal to 2 minus 1. Now L value 1. సో L is equal to 1 అయితే అది P subcell. L is equal to 1 అయితే అదే సబ్సెల్ P subcell. సో P subcell యొక్క షేప్ ఏంటి? డంబెల్ షేప్. సో దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ PX orbital, PY orbital, PZ orbitals. This is the total PX, PY, P orbital shapes. This is the total Px, P orbital shapes. Px, Py, Pz orbital shapes. Okay, Px orbital, Py orbital, px orbital, py orbital, pz orbitals. Those are on the x-axis or y-axis, z-axis. Px orbital on the x-axis, py orbital on the y-axis, pz on the x-axis. This is the total p orbital shapes. Okay. Next, so n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. This is third cell. In third cell, L is equal to n minus 1. We have substitute n value 3. Here we substitute L value 3. 3 minus 1 or 2. 2 is the D subcell. 2 is the D subcell. So D subcell shape is double dumbbell. D subcell shape is double dumbbell. N is equal to 3 అనే సెల్లో ఉండే సబ్సెల్ n is equal to n minus 1. Now ఈ n is equal to 3ని n ప్లేస్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3 minus 1 2 వస్తుంది. 2 అనేది D సబ్సెల్ యొక్క నెంబర్. ఓకే, సో D subcell shape double dumbbell. So these all are C's of dxy, dyz, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These 5 are D subcell shapes. Okay, next, n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 subcell. Now the subcell is 3. So the subcell 3, L is equal to 3 value is F subcell. L is equal to 3 is F subcell. Okay, now the F subcell shape is twisted or complex or four-folded structure. Twisted, complex or four-folded structure. This is the F subcell shape. Okay, next, we have 4 subcells. Those are S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F. We have 4 subcells. L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 S subcell. L is equal to 1 P subcell. L is equal to 2 D subcell. L is equal to 3 F subcell. L is equal to 0 S subcell. L is equal to 1 P subcell. L is equal to 2 D subcell. L is equal to 3 F subcell. Next, now the subcell contain maximum electrons 2 into 2l plus 1. This is the formula of the electrons contain subcell. ఇది సబ్సెల్ ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కలిగి ఉంటుందో చెప్పే ఫార్ములా. సో సబ్సెల్లో ఉండే మ్యాక్సిమం ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఒక ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 2 into 2l plus 1. సో ఎస్ సబ్సెల్ L is equal to 0. ఎస్ సబ్సెల్ వాల్యూ L is equal to 0. 2 electrons. S subcell electrons ఉంటాయి, L is equal to 0, 2 electrons ఉంటాయి. P subcell contain L is equal to 1, 6 electrons. P subcell electrons ఉంటాయి, 6 electrons. D subcell contain L is equal to 10 electrons. D subcell electrons ఉంటాయి, 10 electrons. F subcell L is equal to 3, 14 electrons. F subcell electrons ఉంటాయి, 14 electrons. The number of subcells present in nth cell. nth సెల్లో ఉండే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ nth సెల్లో ఉండే సబ్సెల్స్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే nth సెల్లో అంటే ఒక సెల్లో ఉండే సబ్సెల్స్ యొక్క నెంబర్ ఎంత అంటే n. సో నో హియర్ లుక్ అట్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో n is equal to 1. L is equal to 1 సెల్లో ఉండే సబ్సెల్ L is equal to 0 సబ్సెల్. The L is equal to 0 subcell P subcell only. L is equal to subcell means P subcell. Yes subcell. N is equal to 1 cell that contain L is equal to 0 subcell. The subcell is S subcell. Okay, are you understand all of you? N is equal to 1. In this n is equal to 1 subcell, L is equal to 0 subcell కలిగి ఉంటుంది. L is equal to 0 subcell అంటే S subcell. N is equal to cell subcell లో n is equal to 1 subcell లో L is equal to 0 subcell ఉంటుంది. L is equal to 0 subcell అంటే S subcell. Okay, now n is equal to 2 subcell. N is equal to 2 cell. N is equal to 2 cell. Now n is equal to 2 cell contain this is n is equal to n is equal to contain 2 cells, 2 subcells. That is L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1. So L is equal to 0 P S orbital, L is equal to 1 P orbital, P subcell. Okay, n is equal to 2 subcell contain n is equal to 2 cell contain 2 subcell. That is L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1. L is equal to 0 means S subcell. L is equal to 1 means P subcell. Next one is N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 contain 3 subcells. That is L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2. L is equal to 0 means S subcell. L is equal to 1 means P subcell. L is equal to 2 means D subcell. Okay, so n is equal to 3 main subcell, main cell, L is equal to 3 main cell contain 3 subcells. L is equal to 0 S subcell, L is equal to 1 P subcell, L is equal to D subcell. Next one, so this is the one. So next fourth cell, fourth n is equal to 4 cell, n is equal to fourth cell contain L is equal to 0 subcell, L is equal to 1 subcell, L is equal to 2 subcell, L is equal to 3 subcell. Okay, L is equal to 3, this is the 3, not f 0, sorry, this is 3, L is equal to 3 P subcell, F subcell, L is equal to 0 L is equal to 0 S subcell, L is equal to 1 P subcell, L is equal to 2 D subcell, L is equal to 3 F subcell, L is equal to 3 F subcell. Now N is equal to 4 contain how many subcell? 4 subcell. L is equal to 4 how many contain how many subcells? L is equal to 4 contain 4 subcells. Okay, once look at all of you this diagram: cell, subcell, subcell, and shape of subcell. Okay, cell, subcell values, these are our subcell values, this is subcell names. The cell contain subcell name, the cell contain subcells, these are cell in subcells in cell. Okay, so these are shapes of these subcells. Okay, once look at all of you. N is equal to 1, n is equal n values 1 contain L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0 means 1s subcell. It is spherical. When n is equal to 2, it contain 0, L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1. It contain 2s, 2p. Spherical, S 2s means spherical. Any s orbital contain spherical. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, any orbital spherical. Even look at here, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, any s orbital spherical. Next, 2p also dumbbell, 2p, 3p, 4p, any p orbital, it have a dumbbell shape. Any d orbital contain a double dumbbell shape. Any df orbital contain is complex or twisted shape. Okay, a fourth shell, this is the fourth shell, contain L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, L is equal to 3. L is equal to 0 4s, L is equal to 1 4p, L is equal to 4d, L is equal to 3 4f. So 4s spherical, 4p dumbbell, 4d double dumbbell, 4f twisted or complex or shape. This is the complete diagram about the box about the cells and subcells in cells, and the shapes of subcells also. The shapes of subcells also. So this is a picture. So gives a complete information about subcells in cell. Okay, this is the information about, this is the diagram gives information about subcells in cells. Okay, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1 subcell. This is the n is equal to 1 subcell contain k. It is n is equal to 1 subcell is k shell. N is equal to 1 cell, n is equal to 1 cell name is k shell. So 1s orbital contain 2 electrons. N is equal to 2 shell, its name is L shell. So it contain 2s 2p subcells. Those contain 2s 2 2p6 electrons. N is equal to 3 cell, its name is M shell. So 3s 3p 3d, 3s 3p 3d. N is equal to 4 shell, nth cell 4s 4p 4d 4f. Okay, here 2 electrons, here 8 electrons, here 18 electrons, here 32 electrons. Shell 1 contain 2 electrons, cell 2 contain 8 electrons, cell 3 contain 18 electrons, cell 4 contain 32 electrons. This is the subcells about in fundamental of chemistry. Please friends, if you like this video, please subscribe it and encourage me to make more videos, and do subscribe and make like and comment also to be better encouragement to me. Thank you all of you. Please watch it my videos.